So first I'm just grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Chocolate, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush. This is dual-sided, so you've got the angled brush on one side and the spoolie on the other, which is really handy. And I'm just lining the bottom of the brows with just a little bit of product, because a little bit of this goes a really long way. And then I'm going to line the top of the brow, doing the exact same thing on the top, and just getting that arch that I want, not too full on, just kind of going the way my brows naturally go. And then I'm just filling them in from the tail towards the middle, and obviously just getting more products to do that. Then just grabbing a little bit more product, I'm just going to start applying that towards the front of my brow and brushing that out towards the end, like the middle, if that makes sense. Not going right in the front of the brow, because we're going to do a little ombre effect. Now just using the spoolie, I'm going to start brushing the front of the brow, so the product that's in the middle towards the front. This is going to give a really nice ombre effect, so just brushing inwards and up. Now I'm just doing little strokes upwards to mimic the look of natural brow hairs. Now I'm just doing a little line underneath, just to make it look a little bit more sharp and add a little bit more pigment towards the front of the brow. Now grabbing a spoolie, I'm just going to brush over those strokes we did earlier. This is just going to make sure they don't look too harsh. And using the Natasha Denona concealer, I'm just going to place that under the brow, and we're going to start carving our brows with a flat angled brush. This is just going to give a really clean, sharp look. Now I'm simply just using that brush to buff it out and blend it out so it's not harsh. Now I'm just going in with my foundation that I'm going to be using later, and I'm just going to start carving out the tops of the brows. The reason why I don't use the concealer is because it's obviously lighter, so this is just going to help give a smoother blend into the foundation. And yeah, I'm just carving out the tops, making sure not to affect the arch that we created earlier. And then again, I'm just going to go ahead and buff that all out with that brush.